Hello friend, now we are going to see replace child and remove child in DOM. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement remove child and replace child in JavaScript. Okay, for that I have first an order list, and after that within this we have oranges, apple, banana, blueberry. You can see the result also here. Okay, now we will see how we can use that. Now for that I just include JavaScript file in our HTML. Now here we have to code. For that we just use var new element equals to document dot create element. Now after that we provide the tag name. For example, we use li list item, and after that we provide semicolon, and here we provide var new text equals to document dot create text node. Okay, now here I use guava. After that we provide semicolon, and then we use new element dot append child, and here we use new text. Okay, now after that we provide var target equals to document dot get element by id name, and here we provide the id of the unordered list, which is list. Here we provide list. Okay, now after that we use a variable var old element. You can choose any name, I just use for my convenience. Here I use target, and after that dot children, and here I provide which children we want to replace. For example, I want to replace the orange with guava. For that I just use this, and after that we provide semicolon. Now we use here target dot replace child, and after that we provide by which we want to replace. For that we use new element comma, and we want what element we want to replace. For that we use old element. Now after that I use semicolon. Now let's save. You can see orange is replaced by guava. Okay, if we want to change here at the first index we have apple. If we want to change apple with guava, we can use index 1. Now let's save. You can see oranges remain the same and apple is changed with guava. Okay, if we provide here 3, now blueberry is changed with guava. Okay, now let's save. You can clearly see this is how it works. After replace we have remove child. For that just we use here remove, and we have to comment this all because we don't need that. Okay, here we provide the element that we want to remove. We are targeting this list with the help of id list. Okay, now here we provide the children number 3, and we have to just remove all of this. We just use old element. Now let's save. You can see the last element is removed, the blueberry is removed. If here we provide index number 0, now let's save. You can see apple is here, first one, orange is removed. In our document you can clearly see we have orange, apple, banana and blueberry. This is how you can replace and remove child from a document. Okay, So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend. and bye bye.